really come a long way. And this is a major milestone for us.
And you look absolutely stunning. Now, I know a lot of people have questions, and we've compiled some of them over here. So, what inspired you to partner with Melange by Lifestyle?
Hi everyone. Malini, I think Melange is a leading popular ethnic wear brand, and I totally identify with the philosophy that I'm pretty, but I'm pretty strong as well. And that sort of empowerment and that sort of vision for urban women is extremely uplifting. And I think we are a perfect match because apart from fashion, apart from giving a very contemporary chic twist to conventional ethnic wear, it represents something which is, which says a lot about urban Indian women.
And we've seen you really evolve in your fashion, and we've obviously documented it on MissMalini.com. How would you describe your personal style?
I think personal style is a lot about your own attitude in life. And my style is a lot about being confident, being comfortable with yourself. And over the years, when I started, I was just a small town girl, and I experimented a lot. I wasn't scared to experiment with silhouettes, with prints, patterns, and fabrics. And that's why I've got so far with style, whereas, today I'm considered stylish, is all because of my fearlessness to try and adapt to the change and unknown, for sure.
Absolutely. All right, a question for you, Srinivas. Melange by Lifestyle has created a niche for innovative concept. Could you share some details on what the brand stands for and some of the highlights of the new collection?
Okay, like Kangana just said, when we actually spoke to a few people some time back, there's a huge void in the market. People were not really treating ethnic wear the way it ought to be treated. It was really not, given the due attention. There were no fashion inspirations that were incorporated into ethnic wear. And this is where we really saw a huge gap, and we really believe that today Melange has really filled that void, and hopefully it'll progress, from strength to strength. So we really look at the global trends that really are used by most of the Western wear brands. We really adapt those trends and incorporate them into Indian wear, and which is why you see really fashionable and chic collection that we put out every season.
All right, lovely. And I'm sure everyone wants to know, who do you take your fashion inspiration from? Anyone in particular?
There are many people, and especially I think there can be certain influences to one's fashion and style. I think India is so diverse and so vast. Definitely, when I travel, different cultures, they really inspire you. If you go to mountains, like this jewelry is very ancient mountain woman would wear. And when you travel towards Jaipur or you go to South, or India is so inspiring, so diverse. And I think when it comes to fashion, India has inspired many minds globally, and India is my inspiration as well.
Talking about beautiful jewelry that you're wearing, any particular fashion accessory that you love to wear with your ethnic wear?
There is so much, actually, so much you can do. Like a Mang Tika is very big statement. And I think internationally also we should glorify our culture, because everyone gets so inspired with India, I think, whereas we Indians haven't yet, sort of be, out there on international red carpets doing really impressive Indian looks.
So this whole concept of rethink ethnic, so what was the brand concept behind it, and how did you come up with that?
To be really brief, the concept really is a tribute to today's woman. Melange represents the new Indian woman who's willing to kind of go out there, face challenges, and really break stereotypes and set new benchmarks.
Absolutely, and just as Mr. Rao said, you do set the example of fierce and bold and, take chances. What's your advice? What's your advice to young women today?
I think to find your own identity, you should be fearless, and you cannot be scared to make mistakes. You're going to make mistakes, and you're going to fall and get up again. You don't want others to approve of who you are in real life or your principles or morals. You need to set your own rules, your own standards. and lead your life in your own way.
Absolutely. And Srinivas, Kangana as your brand ambassador, amazing choice. How did you think the brand will benefit collaborating with Kangana?
I think one of the biggest benefits is that the brand will draw.
Melange is extremely progressive. I feel it's for people who find a lot of pride in their own roots and who are ready to change rules. So this whole chic twist to Indian wear is what urban Indian women are all about. And I feel Melange is extremely bold, and they've given very, very edgy and extremely progressive styles. And like what I'm wearing today, I can, very well wear this on a London street and get like 10 compliments, for my Indian attire. And I feel that sort of comfort and confidence is today's women seek, because we travel, we work, and we want to be comfortable in what we wear, and at the same time not go too away from our roots, carrying India with us in our hearts.
And I love it. It has like a little jacket and a wrap. It's got like a lot of things happening with it.
And the fabric, it's so comfortable, and it has that grandeur, that it actually looks like a showstopper outfit, even though it's a kurta and pants. So, and the best thing about Melange is that it doesn't set rules. Like, it doesn't tell you, okay, these are the pants with this kurta, or this dupatta will go with only this. So you can go to the store, you can explore, and you can make your own statement. So I know every girl has a little artist in her. No matter what your job is, what every woman essentially is an artist. And when we love to pamper our, those senses and that little designer inside. So when you go to a Melange store, you can make your own sets, like you can decide, this is what I'll wear with this, and this is how I'll accessorize it. So it's up to you. So that kind of freedom that Melange provides the woman, and let them have confidence in them and allow them, like there are no rules how you want to dress up and what you want to wear. And that's the most exciting thing.
And if there was one outfit you could take home with you today, which one would it be?
I think the one that I'm wearing for sure, but I'm their brand ambassador, and I hope they keep sending me a lot more.
I'm sure, and we'd love to see how you style them and get our inspiration. Thank you so much, Kangana. Thank you so much, Mr. Rao, for a lovely discussion. Really enjoyed that. And we liked getting a little bit of insight into your fashion style and how you can mix and match as well. And I love how Melange by Lifestyle is, it's been fabulous chatting with you.
Thank you very much, Ms. Malini. Let's have a round of applause for everybody on the stage right now. Thank you, Ms. Malini, for joining us. I'm sure everybody out here enjoyed the conversation as much.
Hello.
Well, every brand, every now and then goes through a revamp, depending on demand and everything. And I think this time around, with every collection, can you guys hear me? Okay, so I'll answer again. Every season, every collection, every year, brands try and go through a revamp. And this time around, I think the concept is more about being pretty, but being pretty strong. And I think every time you step into a brand, you replace someone, and then someone else replaces you. So it's just that cycle that goes on. But I think we really complement each other, and I'm very happy to be a part of this brand.
Hi, Kangna. This is.
I'd like to know more about your personal fashion style statement. Kangna, I'd like to know more about your ethnic fashion style that you take. Kangna, I'd like to know more about your ethnic personal style statement that you wear every day.
See, I think today urban women want to give a little twist to ethnic wear and our traditional sensibilities because, the world environment is changing, everything's changing, and Indian women are not just restricted to the boundaries of their houses. They're stepping out, they're participating in the development and the progress of the nation. They're working and they're working things out as well. So, we want to have that sort of independent, fierce, confident, and independent woman. And for that, it's very important to say bye to the old rules and set and break new rules. So Melange is all about that. Melange provides a very chic twist to the contemporary Indian ethnic wear. And apart from that, they offer a lot of edgier styles. Like you can mix and match. You can, make your own style statement. Like I just mentioned, that they don't restrict you in any way. They don't tell you this goes with this and this kurta has to be worn with this bottom. So everything has its own sort of, freedom and that kind of vibe to it.
Kangna, yeah.
Hi, Kangna. This is Alok from OFM. आपके right में. मेरा सवाल है कि स्टाइल आपका क्या होता है, लाइक जब आप विदेशों में होते हैं तो किस तरीके के कपड़े, जब आप स्वदेश में हैं तो कैसे, शूटिंग के दौरान कैसे, आप कैसे इनको प्लान करती हैं?
Well, शूटिंग पे जब हम जाते हैं तो naturally we have to change into the characters' clothes. तो we prefer something very easy, very laid back. आपको उसमें मेकअप करना होता है, आपके अपने lines rehearse करने होते हैं. तो I think this is what I mean by having that sort of freedom and comfort in what you wear. I'm sure जो भी working ladies हैं, उनके भी same challenges रहते हैं. चाहे आप कंप्यूटर के सामने हो, चाहे आपको presentations करने हो, चाहे आपको आप आर्ट हो, जो भी हो आप, you want to have a certain comfort. And ease in your personality. So I like to wear things like this, and I think Indian fabrics, Indian wear, जो भी attires हैं, they provide us that sort of silhouette, जहाँ पे we can look elegant also. We feel very comfortable, and the colors also give us that freedom that we look vibrant and we come across very fresh and approachable. So definitely, what I'm wearing right now is a perfect attire to go for shopping or to go to work or to just hang around in my house. I think I prefer cotton a lot.
Kangna, just one question. अरे एक भी सवाल नहीं. You are not giving me.
So let's. That is a better question. Could we take that question, please?
So you said if I'll... Yes. Yeah, for sure. Like I just mentioned that this, I'm wearing these 3 pieces, but they can be worn individually also. Like I can wear this with the jeans, or I can just wear this with my shorts, or I can, experiment a lot with the kind of clothes Melange provides. And it's more than comfortable to wear on daily basis or to wear for functions, parties, like how I'm wearing it for a press conference now. don't usually associate with brands or do movies for the sake of it. If I like something, if I, as a consumer, because at the end of the day, I'm also a consumer, if I'd use it, then only I endorse it. And Melange is definitely a very, very fashion-forward Indian ethnic wear.
Kangana, kal aapka birthday.
Okay, I guess that's about it. We have.
Tomorrow is your birthday.
कंगना, आपको जो स्क्रिप्ट दी जाती है इसके लिए कोई एंडोर्समेंट करती है उसमें आपको कुछ बोलना होता तो उस स्क्रिप्ट में आप अपने भी सजेशन देती हैं या वो जैसा बुलवा रहे हैं आपसे वही बोलना पसंद करती हैं?
मैं ऐसी कोशिश करती हूँ कि जो भी उनके साथ आर्टिस्ट कोलैबोरेट करते हैं, चाहे वो ब्रांड्स के स्क्रिप्ट हो, चाहे वो ब्रांड्स के कैंपेन्स हो, वो भी आर्टिस्ट लोग उन पे काम करते हैं. तो आई मेक श्योर दैट आई हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ डिस्कशंस रिगार्डिंग द कैंपेन. और अगर मैं किसी लाइन को लेकर सहमत नहीं हूँ तो मैं डेफिनेटली वो नहीं बोलूंगी.
Kangana, kal aapka birthday hai.
I just want to ask you,
Sorry.
do you prefer ethnic wear or do you prefer...
Sorry, I guess it's time for us.
Hi, we need.
No, we don't have any more time, I guess.
Question.
Kangana.
So no, see, listen to me, guys. You know, it's not. You know, there is like, there is. You know, sometimes you guys have to allow that sort of personal space to celebrities also. It can be very overwhelming for, like, strong just doesn't mean you walk through life without being affected or intimidated or, you know, so being strong means that standing up against things in spite of all of this. So you've got to give us a little bit personal space. It's not that I won't talk about it, I will. But as of now, please grant me that space and let's talk about what we are talking about.
Okay, thank you. Let's give it a round of applause. Come on, you're pretty brave enough to answer that question to that level. So thank you very much, ma'am. I guess that's about it. I think you've been very kind enough.